Hi, Marilyn Harper here, and I am at Joy's house in Crestone, Colorado. It is amazing here in the winter. I want to let you know that we are doing a very special recording with Randy Luna and a 1-1 double-digit channeling with Adironda and the Council of Light on January the 1st, 2016. Now, the intention for 2016 may seem a little like 2015. However, 2016 is about 9. It is ending of a cycle. So what we have been doing for the past year is checking things off our list of ending old cycles so we can begin anew. And that's what the vibration of 2016 is to stay consciously in the flow, to stay connectedly in the flow of where we are heading. So on 1/1 of 2016 in the afternoon, so you can go out on the New Year's Eve and you can still have your evening time on the evening of January the 1st, we are doing a very special channeling and recording. Another theme for 2016, since it's an ending of a cycle, is the fact that I can do anything if only I knew what it was I wanted to do. Or I can be anything if only I knew what it was I wanted to be. So all of that added in together is ending of an old cycle. And that's what we're doing throughout the whole 2016. So we will see you there.